The park looks very beautiful today.
Yes, it does. The flowers are fresh and bright.
I like walking here with you.
I like it too. I feel calm here.
The air feels soft and cool.
It feels nice, just like this moment.
Do you remember our first meeting?
Yes, I remember it very well.
You were sitting on that bench.
And you were very nervous.
Yes, my heart was beating fast.
I could see it on your face.
But when you smiled, I felt better.
Your smile made me happy too.
Since that day, my feelings have grown.
Mine have grown too, slowly and deeply.
I think about you every day.
I also think about you all the time.
When I wake up, I think of you.
When I sleep, I think of you.
Your voice gives me peace.
Your words give me strength.
I feel safe when you are near.
I feel warm when you hold my hand.
May I hold your hand now?
Yes, you may.
Your hand feels soft.
Your hand feels strong.
I promise to care for you.
I promise to stand by you.
Even in hard times.
Yes, even in hard times.
Life is not always easy.
But love makes it better.
I want to grow old with you.
I want to share my life with you.
I want to laugh with you.
I want to cry with you.
I want to support your dreams.
I want to support yours too.
Sometimes I fear losing you.
I understand that fear.
But love needs trust.
Yes, trust is very important.
I trust you with my heart.
I trust you with my soul.
Look at the birds flying.
They look free and happy.
Love should be like that.
Free, pure, and honest.
The sun is going down slowly.
The sky looks orange and pink.
This moment feels special.
Yes, very special.
I am glad we came here.
I am glad I am with you.
Thank you for loving me.
Thank you for understanding me.
I feel happy when I am with you.
I feel the same. You make me smile.
I want to ask you something.
What is it? You look serious.
We have known each other for a long time.
Yes, we have shared many moments.
I trust you and care about you.
I trust you too.
I want to spend my life with you.
Are you saying what I think you are saying?
Yes. Will you marry me?
This is a big question.
Take your time. I will wait.
I don't need much time.
Really? That makes me very happy.
Yes, I love you.
Then let us tell our families.
Yes, let us do that together.
Thank you for saying yes.
Thank you for asking me.
This park will always be special for us.
Yes, I will always remember this moment.
I will never forget this day.
I will keep it in my heart.
Let us walk a little more.
Let us walk together.
Side by side.
Hand in hand.
Today, tomorrow, and always.
Always.